Welcome to Quick English Practice. English Grammar Test. Each question takes 10 seconds to answer. If you pass this test, your English is amazing. Let's get started. Good luck. The thief was caught. The act. Right answer is A, in. You cannot go out. Finishing your homework. Right answer is C, without. He insisted that she, the meeting. Right answer is A, attend. I have known her. We were kids. Right answer is B, since. They asked me if I helped them. Right answer is B, could. The boy ran fast. He missed the bus. Right answer is A, but. There were hardly people at the party. Right answer is C, any. If he harder, he would have passed. Right answer is B, had worked. You must not others while they are speaking. Right answer is A, interrupt. A bouquet of flowers placed on the table. Right answer is A, is. He asked me how old I. Right answer is C, was. I to the market when I saw the accident. Right answer is B, was going. Let's go out. Right answer is C, shall we? The manager wants the report by tomorrow. Right answer is B, finished. He did not go to school. He was ill. Right answer is A, because. She asked me. I liked coffee. Right answer is see weather. A pair of shoes on the floor. Right answer is B is. The train had left before we, the station. Right answer is A, reached. He behaves as though he, the boss. Right answer is B, were. No one can solve this problem. Right answer is B, can they? He worked hard. He would have passed. Right answer is C, had. I saw a man was wearing a red hat. Right answer is B, who. He denied the window. Right answer is A, breaking. I will stay here until the rain. Right answer is B, stops. He is married, a French woman. Right answer is C, 2.